Hi, I'm Rob Milner, Director of Global Business Development for FLIR Systems. Let's take a look at how infrared windows are used to inspect electrical equipment. Infrared windows are a common way to enable inspection of low, medium, and high voltage electrical cabinets without needing to remove the panel. If we avoid opening the panel, we also avoid the need to suit up in cumbersome arc flash gear. Periodic inspections of critical electrical infrastructure is a key part of keeping your facility safe and productive. In fact, NFPA 70B, which is part of the National Electrical Code of the US, requires thermography inspection at least every 12 months of all the electrical equipment in the facility. Even if your jurisdiction does not require annual inspections, it is a really good idea to do so because it has been proven to reduce production downtime and electrical fires. Our round infrared windows come in 2, 3, and 4-inch diameter sizes. The glass in the infrared window is made of a special crystal material which is partially transparent to infrared wavelengths that the camera sees. It's not possible to inspect through a closed panel door or through plexiglass safety barriers. Both of these are opaque to infrared light. Windows are installed over the fuses, breakers, bus, disconnects, and other components within the cabinet. Important to note for this application, there's not a lot of room between most panel covers and the electricity carrying components, so a wide-angle lens is most effective when using an infrared window. Let's take a look through an infrared window with our 24, 42, and 80 degree lenses. The 24 degree lens provides a relatively narrow field of view. If there are a lot of components inside, it may be difficult to see them all. The 42 degree lens is better, with an image that is almost double the width of the 24 degree. The 80 degree lens is the best for this application, and as you can see here, you get a really wide field of view, double of that of the 42 degree lens and almost 4 times the width of the 24 degree. Another advantage of using the 80 degree lens in this application, users have reported to us that they get great imagery even through smaller, lower cost 2-inch diameter windows, which means they can save a lot of money on window installation. Now let's use our new infrared port called the IRP1. Compatible with the 80 degree ultra wide angle lens for the EXX T500 or T800 series cameras, the IRP1 is a device engineered to allow temporary access to a 12mm or half-inch diameter hole drilled into the cabinet panel. The port is specially designed to mate precisely with our 80 degree lens to provide the extra wide field of view that is so desired for electrical inspections. There are several advantages to using the IRP1. The IRP1 is much lower in unit cost when compared to infrared windows, yet allows the wide field of view and great image that thermographers need. Second, there's no glass, so no transmission correction factor is needed to input into the camera, simplifying the inspection process. And third, the port can also be used as an access point for ultrasound detection of partial discharge within the cabinet. Let's have a look at how the IRP1 works with a lab setup. First, let's look at the equipment with no panel cover. The 80 degree lens provides a great, wide field of view. Now let's bring in a simulated panel cover with the IRP1 installed. This one is made of plexiglass, so you can see what's happening. With the camera lens mated up to the IRP1, we can see that there is no noticeable difference in the image between using the port with and without the panel. Many customers love this solution to electrical cabinet inspection because it is relatively low cost to install compared to regular IR windows, provides a great image, and you don't need to change transmission factors in your camera. I hope you enjoyed learning about how FLIR infrared windows and ports are used to improve electrical inspections and comply with electrical code requirements, such as NFPA 70B. To find out more, give us a call to arrange a demonstration or visit FLIR.com.